Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch Triller on Android TV. So what we're going to do first is that you need the Triller app. So head over to your Google and hit on that search bar and you're going to type in Triller. So T is TR actually. So TRI. We're just going to type it. Yes, and so we have Triller. So I need to look for Triller TV. So we're looking at how to watch the Triller TV, and this is a step to download it. So I'm typing in Triller TV app to be exact, so we don't get many results that different. So you're going to choose the one on play.google.com, and I've clicked on the link. Now it's open up, and you can see the open button right here in my case. But on your screen, you should see install. You should see install since it's the first time you've been installing the app. And if you click the installation button, the app will download and then install automatically to your Android TV. You can access it on your app library. So I could just choose to click the open app here and get directly into the Triller TV app. So this is an app for live sports, and immediately I click on open right here. I'm launching the app. So right there I've launched the app and you see the interface load up. So now I'm just going to be patient for a while. The internet connection is a very strong factor when it concerns this app. This application is very data dependent. Everything is streamed from the web. So now that I have this page up, I click accept all. You could choose to manage your settings differently, restrict some cookies and some privacy information so you want to leave open or leave closed. Do that with the manage setting button. But for me, I'm going to click on accept all and I'm going to head on. So the Triller TV app is loading. I'll just give it a couple of seconds to load. My internet connection is not the best at the moment, so I'm aware that might take a lot of time, but then I'll just be patient and wait for the app to load up, and it's loaded. Now you could watch live sports entertainment, and you could choose to log in with any method, either an email, Google account, Facebook. And when you log in, it means you have an account ready. So you can click on that login button as I'm showing you right there, and you're going to log into that account and be able to access everything on Triller. If you have no account, you can sign in or rather sign up by continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or you could just use your email to sign up. So you could watch and stream all these amazing sport events you see behind. If you found value in that tutorial, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next video.